What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video, and this time we have two awesome models that I'm very excited to have. As you can see, it's one of those sort of series releases where NG Models has done two versions of the same model. We have the NG Models American Airlines 777s, one in the regular plain livery and the One World livery. As you can see, the boxes match perfectly, and I love this. It's so cool when we get these models like this. We get these sort of, I call them series almost, and it just fits, and it's beautiful. You know, it's something you don't see with Gemini jets. It's something you don't see with, as far as I'm aware, any other manufacturer at this time, and this is very unique, really awesome. I know it's just the boxes, but it's that special touch, you know, it's that little extra consideration when producing these models, and I think it's awesome. So I'm very excited to have these two. I do have the Gemini Jets version of just the regular livery. I do not have the One World livery one, but I'm very excited to finally have it now and to show you guys these two models. So the first one, we're going to do the regular livery first, and we'll do the One World last, and we'll go over both of them. So let's move the One World one out the way. And here's the plane livery one. Registration November 776 Alpha November. Yeah, beautiful box. Or NG, you know how it goes. There we go. Very, very nice. Very excited to have this model. Let's get right on into it. A little bit of damage in the box. That's alright. It's just a box. Oh, look at this with the new, like, sort of black, much firmer plastic case. Oh yeah, for the card it was in the box. Alrighty. Alright, so here we go. Looks fantastic. Very excited to have this 777-200ER. We got. It's one thing, they only ever really notice the 777-200 on the box. I'm not sure why, but it is a 200ER. That's all the American has. Alrighty. Oh wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. I also like this new packaging. It's much more firm, much more like solid and sturdy, and more protective even, I want to say. So I like that touch. Alright, here we go. So it looks absolutely fantastic. Sorry about the lighting, I'm doing my best here with the setup that I got. So if the color looks, if it looks a little dark, I can tell you it's actually very, very nice. It looks fantastic, and I think it's very accurate to the real world one. You know how Gemini Jets has been in the past with all their mismatched and inconsistencies. I have to say, from what I can tell with my models from NG, they're very consistent, and I'm curious to see just between this one and the One World one how similar they are, but they should be because they're the same batch, so I would assume they use the same color. But this looks very, very nice, very accurate, and just looks like a stunning model overall. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Very, very nice. Yeah, alright, let's get right on into it then. So, starting up here at front, cockpit windows and everything, looking very nice. There's great detail all around there. Got the nose gear, with some good details there on the gear door. L1 door and the American logo. American Airlines, or American title. L2 door and some great details all around here. All the little static ports, speed of static tubes, AOAs, all that sort of fun stuff. Various other ports. Got the antenna and the beacon, or antenna right up there. Dome for the Wi-Fi, I believe, right there. Got the these are Rolls Royce? Yeah, should be. Actually, let me double check on that. They might be GEs. Let's see, this is November 776 Alpha November. Let's just take a look here, see what it's got. I should know this, and I do apologize. It is Yeah, 2 Rolls-Royce. I was right. So here we go. Here we have the Rolls-Royce engines, looking very nice. These are solid fan blades, and you can see it's actually pretty nice because there's more detail. The fan blades look more realistic. There's good detail there. I think it looks great. Moving along, we got the wings looking very, very nice. Good, you know, good make, not flex, anything crazy. Very, very nice. The 200 ER does not have that sort of, you know, raked wingtips. They have the very just flat, blunt wingtips. So that's how you can tell the difference between the LR and the ER. And it's kind of unfortunate the LR does not really fly much these days, as after Delta got rid of them. American doesn't have any, they just have the ER. But nonetheless, these are great looking aircraft. So there we have the main gear. So the difference with the gear on these and other, you know, manufacturers and other models is that these do not tilt. They don't tilt, they just roll. But there's really good detail in terms of the actual, like, the gear itself. It looks very, very nice, very realistic. I think they've done a really good job with that. So yeah. Got the L3 door here. Coming along to the back, we have another antenna, we have another little dome there. We have the American flag and registration, and the 7AG, which I think that's just the ship number for fleet purposes. Coming along to the back, the tail cone section and horizontal stabilizers and tail fin, all looking fantastic. Very, very nice. Great detail. All looking really nice. Especially the little APU port there. It is actually, it's just a decal on it though. Which I think is something that the Aviation 400 mold, being a actual sort of indent and an actual like physical hole right there, is more realistic. But hey, this looks really good still though. I'm not going to complain about it. You obviously have the American flag sort of tail, the red, white, and blue, and some gray on the tail, looking very nice with this new livery. So overall, looking head on, very, very nice. Looking at this side, you have the bulk bin door right here, cargo door, and that's really about it. I just noticed the nose cone is actually a slightly different color, classic. That's a common thing, wardrobe malfunctions, as Matt Cochran would call it. Yeah, you know, a lot of these planes have mismatched nose cones and this and that, but a very nice model, a nice little touch on that actually. If that's realistic to the real aircraft, I didn't check, but yeah. So we'll move this off to the side and we'll open up the next one, and that's going to be the beautiful One World one. Very excited to have this model. As I said, I don't have a One World American 777 in the collection. I don't have like the old chrome one. So I'm very excited to have this one. Very nice box, and I love it. Again, I love how it just matches the other box with the design. So let's open this up. This is registration 791 Alpha November. Same Rolls Royce on these. It's just a different. The only thing different about this aircraft is just going to be the One World titles. Let's get that card out of there. They're pink this time. Interesting. Alrighty. Very, very nice. Alrighty. Alright. Oh, gee. Rolling away. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, yeah. The color is exactly the same. It's fantastic. It matches up nicely. So let's get right on into it. Here we go. This nose cone is also a different color, slightly off, which is kind of cool. Good detail there. Nose, same as the other one and everything. There's no difference really with the details around the cockpit. You have the One World sticker right here, L1 door, and member of One World titles. And interesting enough, this has American Airlines on it as opposed to the other plane that were just having American on it. So this actually states American Airlines. L2 door there, the usual antenna and the dome. Rolls-Royce engines looking very nice. There we go. L3 door there, moving along, antenna at the top and the bottom. 791 Alpha November, and this is 7 Alpha Yankee on that little number there. L4 door, and then the tail section as per the same as the other one. Very, very nice though. Looking at it from this side, looks fantastic. Great detail all around. I didn't show the top of the bottom of the other one. The top is very plain and same as the bottom. There's no like American underbelly or anything. One world underbelly. Just plain. But we pull the two together here now. And if I can get them both in the shot. Alright, let's see. Can I get them both in the shot? There we go. I know the lighting's not like amazing on it, but it'll do there. So there you have it, guys. The two American Airlines 777-200 ERs, the regular delivery and the One World one by NG. Fantastic models, a beautiful mold, great detail, no defects on mine. Very impressed, very happy, very excited to have these in the collection. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.